Think about the panic that sets in the moment you realize the perfect quote in your research paper does not actually exist. You found it through a popular AI, it looked professional, and it fit your argument perfectly. But the source is a total ghost. That is the absolute nightmare scenario for anyone in academia or professional research right now. We are seeing a massive surge in tools that promise to handle our research for us, but they are not all built with the same foundation. People keep asking if the biggest name in the world of AI is finally better than the specialized research platforms that have been blowing up in academic circles lately. The answer is much more interesting than just picking a winner. The big general AI everyone uses is undeniably impressive at synthesizing dozens of sources in a single session. It handles text and code and complex data like a pro. However, it has a massive documented problem with the truth. A major university study from late last year found that the most popular general AI fabricated roughly 1 in 5 citations. That is a staggering 20% failure rate. Even more concerning is that more than half of all the references it provided were either completely fake or contained significant errors. That is enough to ruin a grade or destroy a professional reputation in an instant. This is what researchers call emotional damage for a serious student. On the other side of the fence, you have a specialized platform that has indexed over 280 million peer-reviewed papers. It is not trying to be a generalist that can write poems or fix your broken computer code. It focuses entirely on academic literature. This tool allows you to run systematic reviews to a deep review feature and ask questions directly to any uploaded document. The answers are pulled from the actual text of the file, not generated around it based on a statistical guess. This is where the distinction becomes critical for your daily workflow. One tool is designed for generation, while the other is built for retrieval. The specialized platform is essentially a massive research database with a conversational layer on top, which sidesteps the hallucination problem entirely by pointing to real papers rather than just making up what a citation should sound like. Of course, there is a trade-off to consider. The specialized tool is often severely credit limited on its free plan, and it simply cannot match the general AI when it comes to creative writing or general reasoning tasks. But here is the secret that most comparisons miss. These tools are not actually rivals in the way people think. They are teammates. In fact, the specialized tool even has an official integration inside the store of the larger AI platform. Serious researchers are already running both at the same time. They use the academic database for pinpoint accuracy and the general AI for the actual drafting and brainstorming. It is a powerful dual-threat workflow. If you are writing a thesis or a systematic review, the database tool is essential. For everything else, the general chat wins. The real mistake is thinking you have to choose just one side. Use the specific tool when the citations actually matter, and use the general one for the work surrounding it. That is how you stay ahead of the curve without risking your credibility. The real answer is usually more interesting than the marketing.